Welcome everyone to my channel that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. Also, if you're new to my channel, then you please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell button besides it so that you get notified whenever I push up a new video. So students, today I'm going to show you a Japanese trick with which you will be able to do the multiplication of two-digit number with a two-digit number, or let's say three-digit number with a two-digit number, or three-digit number with a three-digit number in matter of seconds. Okay students, trust me, this is one of the most error free, or rather this multiplication trick will ensure that you never do a mistake in your calculations. Okay, so let's see how do you get the multiplication of 21 into 14. So what you do is you write these numbers in terms of lines. Okay, you are going to draw lines in form of these numbers. So what is the first digit? We have 2, so we are going to draw two lines like this. What is the next digit? We have 1. So the next number we'll draw like this. Then what is the first digit over here? That is 1. So we're going to write it, or rather we are going to draw one line like this. Then what is the next digit? We have 4. So we're going to draw 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now all you have to do is just calculate the points of intersection and you will be done with your answer. So here the first calculation will begin from this corner of your square. Okay, we can say. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So my last digit is 4. Then what is the intersection over here? 1, 2. I'm just going to color it, makes more sense. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So my next number would be 9. And over here we have just two intersections. So we are going to write down 2. So that is my answer. If you have any doubts, please check with your calci. Trust me, you will get the right answer. Okay. Now let me see. Over here we saw that there was no carry. Let me take an example which does involve a carry. But students, before beginning with that, I would like to tell you all that if you like the way I'm explaining, then please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Also students, when you hit the like button, it tells YouTube that this video will be helpful for anyone who's looking for tricks related to mathematics. So in a way you are helping someone else as well. I think that is pretty cool, right? So yeah, now let's see what happens when you do the multiplication which involves a carry. So 42 into 31. Let's see what happens. So here we are going to draw, we have 42. So here we'll have how many lines? 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we have 2. So we'll draw 2 lines. Okay. Then over here we have 31. So first we'll draw 3 lines. And then the last digit over here is 1, so we just write one line. Okay, now here in my last digit I will have how many digits? That would be just what, how many intersection? We have two intersection. So here my last digit would be 2. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to add whatever intersections I'm going to have over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 6 gets you 10. So I'll just write the last digit and I'll keep the other digit over here on top of the next digit, which will go as 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 12 over here. So now my final answer would be 1, 2 plus 1 gets you 3. So 1, 3, 0, 2. That is my final answer. So you saw, even if it involved carry, it is not that difficult to calculate. In fact, it will actually get you answers in seconds once you get the hang of this particular trick. Okay. Now, here I'm going to show you next what will happen when you multiply 425 with 23. Okay, so again the first digit is 4, so we'll draw 4 lines, 2, 3 and 4. Then the next digit is 2, so we'll draw 2 lines. Then the next digit is 5, so we'll draw again 5 lines, 3, 4 and 5. Over here the first digit is 2, then the next digit is 3, so 3 lines. Okay, now here let's see what should be our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so my final answer will have a 5 and the 1 will be taken on top. Here, then again, so now we see we have an intersection over here. So how we'll add is like this. We'll do the addition like this. Okay. So the next number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 6 will get added over here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 plus this 1 was there. So we'll write 17 and this 1 will be taken ahead. Again, we'll do the addition over here of intersecting points, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Again, 1 gets added to 16, you have 17. 1 will be added on top of whatever number we get over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 plus 1 gets you 9. So you saw how easily we could do the calculation, right? So now here we saw, over here we saw 2 digit into 2 digit. Here also we saw 2 digit into 2 digit, but with a carry. Now here we saw 3 digit into 3 digit. Sorry, 3 digit into 2 digit. So here now it's time for us to see how 3 digit into a 3 digit works. So let me first draw. The first line is 2. So we'll write, or rather first digit is 2. So we'll draw 2 lines, then 1 line and then 3 lines. Over here the first digit is 3. So I'm going to do 3 over here. Then the next digit is 1 and then the next digit is 2. Okay. So now how will you do the calculation for this particular multiplication? So for here we'll do like this, then like this, and then the entire diagonal intersection, then this particular intersection, and then this. Okay, so here we saw that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So last digit is 6. Then we have 1, 2, that gets added to 3, 4, 5. So we have 5. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 will get added to this one. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so 4 and then 1 will get added over here. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 plus 1 gets you 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's your answer. If you have any doubts, then please check with your Calci. Students, I hope this particular trick is really helpful for all of you all in your calculations. Okay, but like I always say that any trick when you learn on the video, sometimes it takes a lot of time for me to explain because I'm doing the explanation. But with you guys, when you try and practice it at least for like 10 to 15 times, trust me, you will get the hang of it and you will never forget that trick, especially when you're trying to solve your regular calculations or when you're attempting any of your mock tests or any of your papers in your school. And when you use these methods, you will always get the right answer. But nothing comes easily, so please remember that you will have to give at least an effort to practicing all these tricks whatever I show on my video. Okay, I hope that is very clear to everyone. Okay, so students, that's it for this video. And like I always, sorry, before signing off, I would want to give you a question whose answer you will use this trick to find. Okay, and put this answer in the comment section below. I will let you know whether that is right or wrong. So please give me an answer of what is the multiplication of 342 into 31, 31. So 342 when multiplied by 31. Tell me what is the answer in the comment section. So students, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.